1st of November 2020. I'll be reading out the news for you from the InShots app. I'll be reading out top 15 news from the top stories section for you from the InShots app. So let's go to the top stories section first. Alright, this looks like an advertisement. COVID-19 cases in India cross 81 lakh as 48,268 people test positive. The number of coronavirus cases in India has reached 81 lakh 37,119 as 48,268 people tested positive in the last 24 hours, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The coronavirus death toll in the country has risen to 1 lakh 21,641, while 74 lakhs 32,829 coronavirus patients have been discharged. Out of the total cases, 5 lakh 82,649 are active. Global cases have exceeded 45 million. Next. Okay. Death toll from earthquake in Turkey and Greece rises to 19. 19 people have been killed in Turkey and Greece after a 7.0 magnitude earthquake struck the Aegean Sea on Friday. Turkey's disaster management agency said 17 people died, while 709 people were injured. On the Greek islands of Samos, 2 teenagers, a boy and a girl, were found dead in an area where a wall had collapsed. 17 buildings collapsed or damaged in Izmir. Next. NASA spots giant pumpkin in space, shares pics to mark Halloween. NASA shared Hubble Space Telescope's snapshots showing the early stages of a collision between two galaxies that resemble a Halloween card pumpkin jack-o'-lantern. Sharing a video, NASA wrote, "Hubble spots giant space pumpkin, 2 glowing eyes and a crooked carved smile." The entire view is nearly 109,000 light years across, approximately the diameter of Milky Way, it added. Take a closer look if you dare, NASA. Next. Advertisement. Okay. Madame Tussauds in Berlin puts Trump's wax statue in dustbin. Berlin's Madame Tussauds put its wax statue of President Donald Trump into a dustbin with the words "Dump Trump, Make America Great Again" written on the front of it. It was surrounded by garbage bags and images of Trump tweets, including "I love Berlin." The movie is rather of a symbolic character ahead of US elections, the museum said. Removed waxwork as a preparatory measure. Next. Umpire doesn't declare head high delivery as no ball in RCB SRH match. Criticized. RCB fast bowler Isuru Udana bowled a head high delivery against SRH's Kane Williamson, which umpire failed to declare as a no ball. Several cricketers criticized the decision, with Jimmy Neeshman tweeting, "No balls are head high now." Meanwhile, Yuvraj Singh tweeted, "I honestly can't believe that was not given a no ball. Like seriously? Wake," wrote Mitchell McClenaghan. Williamson asked umpire to declare it no ball. Next. Orthodox priest shot at church in France. Gunman on the run, reports. A Greek Orthodox priest is seriously injured after he was shot dead at a church in the French city of the land by an attacker who then escaped. Report said. The priest was fired on twice as he was closing the church, report said. This comes days after a man beheaded a woman and killed 2 others in church in Nice. We don't have precise elements yet, PM Castex. Next. SRH chased down 121 run target in 14.1 overs versus RCB. Stay alive in IPL 2020. SRH chased down the target of 121 in 14.1 overs against RCB to stoke contention for a playoff spot in IPL 2020. The victory was SRH's second in row, while RCB lost their 3rd straight match. Only Mumbai Indians have booked a playoff spot so far, while CSKs are not only the team who are out of the playoff race. Next. Turkish woman buried alive under rubble after earthquake rescued after 17 hours. Turkey's Disaster and Emergency Management Agency shared a video of a woman who was rescued after being buried alive under rubble for 17 hours following the earthquake in Turkey on Friday. Rescue workers have pulled out at least 100 people so far. The earthquake has killed 26 people in Turkey and 2 on the Greek island of the Samos, officials said. More than 400 aftershocks have been recorded. Next, Indians accounts for 1/4 of total PR granted by Canada in 2019, set record. Indian immigrants accounted for 1/4 of the total permanent residencies granted by Canada in 2019, setting a new record. According to Canada's annual report submitted in their parliament, of the 3,41,180 permanent residents admitted last year, 85,593 were Indians. India was followed by China at 30,246, the Philippines at 27,818, Nigeria at 12,602, and Pakistan at 10,793. India's biggest source country 2017 reports. Next, 90-year-old woman gang raped in Tripura says, "The man left me half dead." A 90-year-old woman was hospitalized after 2 men allegedly gang raped her at residence in Tripura's Kanchanpur. The woman said that the 2 accused barged into her house at midnight, adding, "They raped me and left me almost half dead. When I regained my senses the next morning, I informed my neighbor. The accused are yet to be arrested." One of the accused is a very powerful person. Next. Which bowler has dismissed Kohli the most number of times in IPL? SRH pacer Sandeep Sharma dismissed RCB captain Virat Kohli for 7 today. This was the seventh time Sandeep dismissed Kohli in IPL. The most number of times a bowler has dismissed Kohli in a tournament. Sandeep overtook Ashish Nehra, who had dismissed Kohli 6 times. Dhaval Kulkarni, Mitchell McLagan and Mohammad Shami have dismissed Kohli 4 times each. Sandeep has bowled 50 balls to Kohli in IPL. Next, your Ram Ram Satya journey will begin. UP CM to those dying love jihad. UP CM Yogi Adityanath on Saturday said his government will bring a law to curb love jihad and said, "I want those who conceal identity and play with our sisters respect. If you don't mend your ways, your Ram Ram Satya journey will begin." He also referred to Allahabad High Court, which said religious conversion is not necessary for marriage. UP CM said this during a rally in Jaunpur. Next, AI camera mistakes linesman bald head for ball and follows it through the match. During a football match in Scotland, an artificial intelligence camera continuously tracked a linesman's bald head, mistaking it for the ball. A video of the gaffe has gone viral on social media. The commentator had to repeatedly apologize as the camera kept on mistaking the linesman's head for the ball. "Just a tiny flex for 2020, a journo tweeted. Next, my name has been turned into a Hindi word. Ben Stokes to Jofra Archer. During an interaction with his Rajasthan Royals teammate Jofra Archer, all-round Ben Stokes asked the fast bowler, "What is your favorite Hindi word?" "Not sure, you can say that." In response, Archer said, "No, I can't, jaldi." "You can say Ben Stokes as well," Stokes replied. "My name has been turned into a Hindi word as well." Kohli doesn't say Ben Stokes when he curses. So that's it for guys today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the daily news update on daily basis. Thank you for listening.